This is a pure.
What is that? What's that, ma'am?
Pure wheat.
What's that?
Pure wheat. Pure wheat. Wheat flour. Wheat flour.
Beef?
Wheat.
Ah, wheat flour.
Wheat
Okay,
flour.
okay.
This is, I'm putting
Not rice, no.
not rice. One,
Yes. Why?
two,
No. Just making.
three. Three I'm putting.
3. Okay.
Yeah. Just
Wheat
sample
flour.
making enough. So three I put. So now what I do, I have to put.
No possible any kind of flour there.
That's in some places they are mixing it. Don't use this type of flour.
And then this one, what is this? I don't know, salt. This is salt.
They will call as a.
Salt.
They will call white flour.
Yes, white flour.
Maida. That you call maida.
Maida.
Don't use maida.
Don't choose why?
That's not good for health. Even paratha they are making outside.
Yes.
That is made up of maida.
Yes.
So that's
Then
not good for
also
health.
it's too high.
Yeah, it is. It is not good for.
Oh, too much.
Too much.
Only teaspoon. No.
Yeah, spoon I put.
Only 1 teaspoon.
Teaspoon I will take it.
No problem. No problem. I
So
will.
I'll put this much. This much for this 3 cups. Small
3
cups.
cups. Okay.
It's approximately you know. See how much salt you have to add. So I add
Yes.
salt.
Depend to the person, the taste. No. Okay.
You can add little sugar also in this.
Sure. Possible.
Sugar. Yeah.
I
Little
know.
one teaspoon. See that teaspoon. 1 teaspoon.
Oh,
is
yes.
possible.
1 teaspoon. Okay.
If you don't have sugar, you can use banana also.
Banana. Banana?
Yeah.
But you need to
Yeah,
squash first.
Squash. Otherwise, you can use either anyone. I'm talking about. Don't use all the thing. You can use milk,
Condensed milk.
condensed milk,
Or liquid like that.
liquid milk. You can use it, not powder milk. Otherwise, you can
Not
use
cow milk?
Huh?
Not cow milk?
not cow milk only. I'm not taking not powder milk,
Powder. No powder.
powder.
Only liquid.
liquid. So that milk. Otherwise, you can use curd.
Curd.
I showed you, no?
Yes.
That's just a little.
Yes,
You can use it because this curd.
Curd is laban.
Don't put curd, milk, everything. Don't put all together.
Yes.
Either one. What you have available in your in your home. Sometimes you maybe have curd. Sometimes you have this one milk. Which one you are having? You can use it. Both the things you are not having. Banana is having. Banana you can
But
put.
not full laban.
Not full. Just
Only half or 1/4 or teaspoon.
Teaspoon. Just little teaspoon you put it.
Okay.
Milk is okay. You can add more. No problem.
Okay, and then?
Milk you can add for hot milk. You have to boil and then little hot. And then if nothing is having, you are not having anything. Then what you have to do?
But I will follow what you're doing now.
If you are not having anything, so that milk if you add means it will be softness will be more. Even dye. Dye means curd. If you use means the softness will be more. Banana will be taste will be for you banana sweet taste will come if you add. If you don't like banana means don't put. Don't put everything in one thing. Either one which is available in your home you can put it. Now, if 3 things what I said is not available, suppose then you have to use oil.
Oil.
This is I am using IFA oil.
Ay, fine.
So
Possible olive oil.
yeah. So olive oil I didn't use so far. So I am using cooking oil.
Cooking oil. But possible olive oil.
Olive oil also you can use any oil. So I am putting 1, 2,
also 3.
3. Okay. Just the cups is enough. Then we have to start. See, don't do like this.
Only like that.
Mix it like this. Use this one. Wheat flour, good wheat flour is available in the market. Otherwise, there will be the wheat is like solid wheat, it is coming. So you can give for the grinding, and you can then bring it. In shop also available in flour. In shop, that is it's like powder type only, like this only available in the shop. There is some shop is there. They will like seeds. It will available that you take it and you go and grind in the machine. And then they grind and give like this. So anything, whatever may be, good quality you buy.
But this one is possible you buy in a mall.
Yeah, all is available. Wheat. Yeah, available. Even Kerala, a lot of bakala, there is written, they are available. Not the white. They will say, if you see means it should be like this, not like white color.
This one is a light brown, no?
Yeah, brown.
And
color.
then the white is white also.
Yeah, white is don't buy white. They will put flour, wheat flour, but inside they will be white. Don't buy like that.
Better, no.
Okay. Then we have to pour water. Hot water we have to pour.
Hot water?
Yeah, hot water, not cold water.
This one is hot?
Little hot only.
Warm.
So I can make little warm water. Use it. So
lukewarm water.
So I am going to boil that one. So please wait for a few while.
Okay, no problem. I stop first.
Don't put too much hot also.
No, don't too much put.
Too much hot. No need.
Only lukewarm. Lukewarm,
like
same body. Same body heat.
Yeah. This is.
Are you sure you clean your hand?
Huh?
Are you sure you clean your hand?
Yeah, of course.
So.
This is. That's why I went there. Just I put off and come. Now.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure?
Then this is little warm.
Lukewarm water. You put.
Yeah, warm.
Warm.
So because if you put too much warm, then automatically boil.
And also you cannot mix.
Yeah, you cannot be able to do it. See, you can use your hand also, and when you are using, this 4 fingers has to be come. Don't put like this. Oh, 5 fingers, not 4 fingers. This 5 fingers. Little. You put the water little. Then you can. If you pour more thing, then it became paste.
Right?
No, something is. If the water is added more, suppose that time we have to put some more.
That's
some more powder.
Only slow, no. Putting slow water.
Yeah. If it is sometimes it became more, so that time it will be like
sticky.
Yeah, sticky. So that time you have to use some more powder with flour.
With flour. The last night that you're given is soap. That's why.
Yeah, because last time I given when I am making.
And also you're making like that, huh?
Same like this, but I put ghee butter.
This is butter.
This butter ghee also you can use. Just I applied butter, then I fold it. Then I make it. If not butter is not there, then you can ghee is not there. Ghee or butter nothing is not there. Just you can use oil, no problem. What is available with you, you can make in good way. Follow my procedure. See, in normally the people will be saying you have to use this particular thing only. It's not like if in this particular you have to use ghee or ghee like that. Then if you're not having this, what do you do? So what is the alternative way?
Alternative, ano?
Uh,
What the available?
what
in
is
your-
available? That you have to use and you have to make it properly. See, something like it's coming like this. So now it is sticky in my hand also, like this. What you will do? You have to take the oil. Take the oil.
Mhm.
If it's more sticky, more like this means, then you have to add wheat flour.
With flour.
It's little only. So I use oil. Once you use oil little, then it won't sticky and it will come properly. So if it is more, then you can add little more flour also, wheat flour.
No possible, no, you put powder milk.
Powder milk not good for health, better don't put.
No possible.
Possible, I am not tried, but why I am not tried means we are making this one for healthy purpose. We have to eat healthy one and good. So if your powder is not good for health, that's why powder milk don't use it.
You did
You
not,
can-
you did
can
not
use-
put sugar, no?
Huh?
You did not put sugar.
Sugar I don't have, so I didn't put. You can add 2 teaspoons sugar in this.
But that you given before, you put sugar or no?
No, I didn't put.
Okay.
But you can put means it will be very very good only. No problem. You can put sugar.
No, I will follow what you're doing now.
See, if you put sugar, then it will be good. At least 1-2 teaspoon you put. When you are putting this one in salt, that time. So it is like sticky. So I'll take some more wheat flour.
So with flour, you will put again because it's too much sticky.
Yeah, I taken this one. So how much I'm using? Just take little. You have to use it.
Little only.
So because slightly only sticky, not more water. Yeah.
And also, Mr. William,
See.
he like how to use this one or how to making.
I
That's
see.
why I'm making video.
So actually, it is very easy to make, but patience needed. Slowly you have to make.
If
See.
I'm doing today, possible he can cook tomorrow morning.
Yeah, you have to keep in the fridge. This this
No
flavor
possible here in open area.
open area it will spoil.
Better in a fridge.
Not freezer, ordinary fridge.
Ah,
Not freezer. You have to keep in the fridge.
Only.
In household, in every house, it is a fridge is there available.
Yes,
So
yes,
you can keep it in. You keep it in small like this, small like this. Anything. You still have to put it this flavor in that and cover
Cover.
and you keep it.
Tomorrow possible like that.
Yeah, possible. Even,
Not in a rep. Not in a rep.
no, no. It will be very good. So you have to beat like this. So I need a little more flavor to add. Slightly it is almost it came properly, but if I put like this means then it will be okay. See how it's coming.
It's good.
Now it came properly. I didn't use anything, only oil. This one
Salt,
salt and warm water.
warm water.
Nothing else. If 1 teaspoon sugar if you add means it also very good, well and good. That time and salt adding that time. And milk if you are milk you can add. Otherwise curd you can add. Either one.
Possible butter? No.
Huh?
You put butter.
Butter while making the time you can put. Otherwise
But making like that no possible.
I didn't try. No,
Really?
no. That is not as per the study. It says no need.
Oh.
Butter or ghee, whatever maybe you can apply.
Mhm.
Little sticky it is. See, since I applied oil in my hand, so nothing is there in my hand. It's smooth. Otherwise, it will be little you can add. No need to. Otherwise, if you put more flour like this, then again it will be too rough. Then you again putting you have to put add oil little. You have to put little water. Then you have to make it. That's what it is. So like this, normally they will beat like this. So if you beat like this and beat like this,
Possible also.
yeah. See, don't be small vessel means then it is not possible to beat and all. So you have to take a little bit bigger. This one is okay. Yeah, and in the edges here there is no edge. So I can beat. If it is edges there means something it will be
Problem.
Scratch.
Also, if this one.
no. Here there is no problem. If your beating is there, you won't go inside. See, yeah. Otherwise you can use this type of
Oh, it's big.
vessels.
It's big.
It's big. You can use in this and you can make it. So I was using this one for little only. So I was using this one. See, actually nothing will happen for me here. It is veggies.
They protect you, no?
Yeah, it is a product. So one more thing, when I'm making like this, so if I am beating like this, for me problem means, and for me hand is paining means, what is our other alternative? How to make it very easy? I'll show you. See, this I add. This is the making. Two handle will be there. One is broken. So what I used, this one I used for beating. So like this, if you do also, well and good. Your hands won't be pain, nothing. So even it will be softness will come. Let's do, no? So if it is sticky means just you can add a little bit. Because when you're putting a hard pressing means then it will be sticky. So that's why I was added a little there. See how it is coming like. Now I can beat. Now it's coming there. Now it is coming. Nothing stick. No stick. So if you have like this anything in your own home like this beating thing, so you can use that one. Soft it's coming. If you do it 5 minutes or 10 minutes enough like this class. Even 5 minutes you do also enough. No need to for half an hour to do and all, nothing, no needed. You can prepare while watching movie or any education programs or any exercise programs, anything what you like it. You can switch on your TV or laptop by watching that one, and you can make it. You won't feel like that you are doing some work. It is like a hobby. You can make as a hobby. See, not sticking. It will begin, because when you press, see, otherwise what? See, if you are not having like this means, then you have to press. You have to like it. You have to close like this. Then you have to press. Then you have to fold like this. Then you press. Because see, if you have like that, anything like hammering, just you can use it. Otherwise, you can use like this. Before, actually, all people doesn't have like that, so they will beat him like the hand itself. Maybe you can see in many home when they are making, they make like this. This one, some people get pain for beating like this. That is the reason I am telling it. If it is this one, is very comfortable. See, you can when you are beating like this, whom you are hating to, whom you are hating, hating, you can think that person, and you can beat like this means, then you won't get that your hand won't pain and all, nothing. Even hobby wise you are doing also, nothing will happen. This is just by watching the movie or watching any programs. So you can do it. Only 5 or 10 minutes is enough, not more. For your demonstration wise, I was beating more time. Otherwise, no needed. See, when you are beating after that, then you beat in your hand finally one time. Then only it will come properly. Then only it will be looking very good. See. See how soft it is. See, if you pull this pin, then it will come. Top it will come. If you beat like this
means.
Yeah.
Means it's enough.
This is, yeah, it is soft. It's coming soft. Softness came. But by doing this one, it's the color, that shape itself, and you itself feel like that it is soft. Now it became soft. It is. See how I am making as a ball. So after making the ball, what you have to do? You have to apply oil in this.
Put oil again.
Again oil in this, and you can close it. You can pack in one closed container.
How many minutes waiting?
Half an hour or 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
If you are in a hurry, then 15 minutes also enough. But half an hour is well and good.
Half an hour?
Yeah, half an hour is well and good. If even 20 minutes, 30 minutes, see, according to the, you can keep it and you can do other work. After half an hour, you can, even 1 hour also, if it passed also, no problem. It is depend upon you. See, if you have other activities, then no problem. This is the way I applied fully oil here. Back side, front side, everything, all the places I applied. It is in ball shapes. So now what I am doing?
Waiting for a half an hour.
Yeah, just I have to put close.
Okay.
Close.
Make it close. Yeah, yes, possible there are possible in green.
This one?
Yes.
This one is okay.
And then they have a cover. See,
I put in this. Then I am closing.
Half what?
Just apply oil.
Yeah. How many hours?
half an hour.
Half
Half an hour or 20 minutes. It is depend upon you.
No.
Even more than half an hour, no problem. Nothing will spoil. Even 1 hour, nothing spoil. You can do other activities, cooking, whatever. Then afterwards you can come and do it. Just I am closing it.
Okay. Start.
Okay. First, this one is the what you know. This one for making the chapati. This one is essential. Making a circle. The atta. This atta you can see.
This is my friend Kamal.
Okay.
Making the paruta.
Parota. You can call as a parota or chapati
Chapati.
or anything.
Chapati is different. Chapati is white color.
No, chapati is very thin. This one is little bit. But you can call parota or chapati, whatever may be. But wheat flavor is needed.
You make
See, after I taken, see how it is. Check. Very delicious, you know.
When you make like that.
Yeah.
Aywa. See? Aywa.
So it is like this. See.
Very good.
So now what I am going to make it. So I clean my hand. So now I am going to make it as a roll.
Roll over.
See, after making roll, you can take
Half.
knife or anything. Just it is for your size. Make it same level. Roll it in same level.
Even no knife, no? Make cut by hand?
You can take it like this.
Yes, like that.
You can take it like this also. But knife also, you can just make it equally. Equal division. So knife is better. No need knife. Knife normally I won't use to show off equal.
Equal.
Equal. So equal cutting. So that's why I am using knife. Knife is not essential actually.
1, 2, 3, 4.
See, you have to make it in ball.
8. Making now.
See, the ball should it has to come as a ball. Then only when you are making the chapati, that time it will be good. You can make it as a circle or any way. So we are doing after half an hour. After we are kept for half an hour to make this dough.
To
make the dough for softness purpose. Half an hour we kept.
Again, half an hour.
No. We kept and taken now.
Yes, half hour you taken.
Yeah, taken. Now we are making like this. Then we have to work. We have to just. We have to make it like this all. See, one is big, one is small. This is big. So it is convenient according to us only.
So over and over.
So that's why I'm telling you to just make it equally.
No problem. Use knife.
That's not a problem also. You can make one chapati very big or one chapati
small like that.
Small, but don't make too small. Too big also it won't be that much. The area in the pan, some area it won't be it won't chop it won't boil. Just to watch some movie or something like that, or any education program, any program, or any serial, or anything, or any TV show, anything you can put and you can make it. Since I am making the video for you, So I didn't put it. Otherwise I will. This size is okay actually. Since we are a bachelor, so we want to finish the work very soon, so that we make it a little bit big.
Can I touch?
Yeah, you can touch. How soft?
Ay, wow, good.
How soft, you know?
Good, soft.
Like bread, how they are making, same like that. For bread and all, the softness is needed. Same like that. Even when you are having bread, you have to buy wheat bread only, not white bread. Brown bread you have to buy. Actually, there should not be any crack and all. See, for me, it is coming like crack. So, if it is not crack, means it will come when you are making round shape. It will come brown properly. Even the crack one you have to keep down when you are making it. If it is cracked one, that means you have to keep it down. Then you have to do it.
Why not using this one?
This one?
Oh, see?
This is just now I washed my vessel and kept it. I will keep it inside. Just now, right now we are bachelor, so we kept just now single person. So after making chapati, then I will keep inside everything. So I'll keep my place always clean.
Your wrap is working or not?
Yeah, working. But what is the problem in this fridge? Ice is not deep freeze. After 1 week, the ice is fully iced.
Right.
So I have to take out and I have to keep it outside to drain the water.
Then after that,
Then I have to keep. So that's why I put off. I didn't use. I fed up with this. So I had to buy a new one. So I'm waiting for the salary. After salary, I will buy.
No need.
Since we are having in our mess hall, we are having the refrigerator. So right now we are using it. When it's required, that time I will buy. So we normally we used to after rolling the chapati, then I'll go to the mess hall, then I'll put in my pan, then I'll make it.
No problem. I will go and also there.
Okay, this is the thing.
You've been watching only one, no problem.
So I told several techniques how to make it. Use banana or milk or yogurt. Yogurt means curd. Okay, you can use any three.
Mixing there, mixing.
Don't mix all together.
What?
Any one you can use.
Only one.
Only one.
I thought banana,
No,
curd.
no. Either one.
Okay.
You use either one.
Use only one.
Only one. Don't use all the things. Then it is kachra.
Problem.
Any one you can use it. So since all the three I'm
But
not having
don't put all.
don't put all.
Don't put all for mixing.
See, I kept it like this. See, in this. So wheat flour.
No.
I kept here. See, before rolling it, so you have to put like this.
Why?
Then only it will roll properly. Otherwise, it will. See. Then only easy for you. Otherwise, it will be pasted in the this one, or see now it is like this automatically after rolling, automatically it will come. See, you have to roll in such a way. Round shape, you try to make for round shape. Normally, for me round shape is not coming properly. So by practicing, it will come. So don't think the round shape is not coming means I'm not making perfect. Don't think like that. Whether coming round shape or not coming round shape.
No problem.
Huh?
No problem.
See,
No
you
problem.
try to. Don't press more. Just very smooth. You have to make it. You have to do it.
Only surrounding.
See, even try
Soft rolling.
Yeah. See, it is coming like this. So what you have to do, then take some oil.
You
If
put
round
oil
coming is
again?
okay. Yeah.
Why?
I used to, last time I put ghee. Ghee where? In this place. Just applying.
Possible using butter.
Butter also making ghee, you know, of course. It's like, okay, you can apply also. After, when you are making, you can apply butter also on the top. It will be very tasty.
Yeah, same oil.
Ghee or butter, anything you can use it. So I applied little oil. I won't use more oil. Already I used more oil in this. Today I made some vegetable curry. So along with that, I will have. Otherwise, I'm having honey. One of my friend given.
Honey?
Yeah. Small piece. So then I had to roll like this.
Why?
This chapati, then how can you put? So I folded like this. Why I folded means I forgot to tell to you. Then only it will come buffy.
No putting some what other called? The white?
The flavor. This one.
The other. Same salt. You start
For oil purpose.
No. For baking.
Baking soda no need.
Baking soda no.
That is not good for health. So I don't use this. I don't use the baking soda. This I don't know. It's not good for health. So make it which is good for health. You are eating it, so you have to eat in healthy manner. Not for don't make it too much thin or too much thick. It should be slight thickness. Then only it will be properly will come. See. This is the thing. So I am keeping in the plate. See, in the plate I am keeping. Even though it is not coming for me the round shape, so
no problem.
it is coming properly. See, I'm trying this one. This one I'll teach you how to make it round shape. See, I'm not pressing now. Slightly I am making. Even square shape, no problem. So I made in almost in square. So then what you have to do? You have to apply some oil or ghee or anything you can apply here. Then only it will come buffy. Buffy means it is when you put in the pan, it will come like puri, you know, no?
Yes.
Yeah, puri how is coming like that, it will come.
Will come bob.
Oops. So I'm applying it oil. I'm applying it. See, I'm folding one like that. After applying, I'm folding one way. Then you can apply here also. So since I don't want to waste my oil more, so I used little. Only one place, only one area I used it. You can apply here also. It will be better. oil or ghee, anything you can apply, no problem. If you apply some ghee means the smell will be very pleasant. So then I'm
rolling again.
Rolling. So then see the corner is only thickness will be more, so you have to focus the corner also. Corner is more, you have to focus. So when you are rolling it, you have to focus corner. Then automatically the middle also it will be thin. Automatically middle will be thin when you are rolling. You can call this one as a parota, wheat parota you can call, or chapati you can call. No problem, anything. So here I choose so much thin means it will to press on the plate itself. So no need more thin, medium. You know, when you are doing it, you came to know automatically. See, this one is not come properly.
No problem.
Too much. So the shape is
no problem. No problem in shape.
So I'm also new.
No possible putting above this
No,
one?
above putting means it will chop. It will be paste in this. So above is not allowed. Okay, don't put above. Above some people put means they put a flyer is in that. Then they will put. So some people doesn't like the flower is more means that they will. When you are making that time white it will come.
Better have a plastic, no?
See why you are making in your home, you will be having lot of plates. You put in the plates. Or big,
let's say
or big thing.
Let's say I have a plastic and then I put plastic and then you put your
you can put
possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is rotating properly. Somewhat.
If possible, when I making chapati now and then cooking tomorrow, possible?
Yeah, no problem. Then you have to keep in fridge.
But not in a freeze. Not in a freezer. Not in a freezer.
Freezer. So
only in an open area.
Open area. Freezer means then it will be correct. See, I am applying it. This one is coming properly. So because sometimes you are making too much big balls, dough. That's why it's not coming round. Not too big, not too small, medium. See this one at least somewhat coming properly. That's why I'm telling you medium. Always when you are making in medium voice, then you will be comfortable. These tips and all, nobody will say to you. These tips. Most of people doesn't know also. See, then I am taking this one. Then don't press, just slowly. First time when you are making it, it won't come properly. Then don't worry. When you are practicing it, automatically will come. What I am told you, just follow that one. Enough. Don't press. It will be very, very good time pass. People saying, I feel bored. So why you are feeling bored? There are, you can cook, you can read, you can go for walking, and when you are using a mobile, think about the mobile, how the operation is going on, what other switch is coming, anything. So the boring, there is no point of boring at all.
No, because it's practicing.
Anything. I don't like the word of boring. See, this one is coming properly. So equal size is also equal all place. So if I want to keep it above this, don't keep it down, because then when I'm putting like this one is falling on like this, then it will touch. So it should be inside. Otherwise you keep in the like this. See, this is too big. Whether how it will come, I don't know. I can roll it properly, or I'll try. Before applying the oil, it's a medium size is somewhat. You can feel the slight is medium size is coming, means enough. Then you can apply the oil. Then you can carry on your work. If the thickness is a little bit more, also no problem. When you are applying, because we are going to make again we are going to roll it. So here also, if you apply the oil, means well and good. It will be tasty. Since I want to serve the oil, so I didn't apply much, because normally applying means well and good. Some people won't use oil also, but if you're not using the oil, means it won't come properly. Don't be more confused. Be moderate.
As long as complete
what
the
is comfortable?
ingredients.
Yeah. What is requirement? What is required? That at least that basic requirement is needed. But oil, if you are putting in, then only it will be good. I applied oil more. So even you more, so you can apply when you are making the chapati, that time you can apply oil. See, this one is very big. See, the thickness is more, this one. So I want to make it little bit. Because if the thickness is more, mean it won't. When you put the pan, it won't. Still it will be not cooked. So that's why more. If it is not thickness should be less. Not too less. It is medium.
Yeah.
Such a big one it is. Because actually I want to make this one as 2, so I made it as 1. Oh God. See, actually this shape like this coming means okay. It's going above. So I don't want this.
Why?
So I'll make it again. I want perfectly. I want to.
No need. Oh, put there. Yes.
So actually nothing is there. You can.
No problem. And then make it roll again.
See. See how it's look. Like this it has to.
We have now 23 minutes.
When you are making, you have to feel what you made is good. What you made is good. You have to feel first of all you like it. You want to like it. You want to.
I think when I will making like that, I make a passion. Make a fashion. Dreaming a good fashion. Aywa. It's nice.
See now
Nice now.
it's coming in round shape, you know.
Mm.
So when you are practicing it, that time it will come properly. But if I put like this also, you can put it. But if I apply oil and make it as a folding, then you make means it will be very very good. Don't only the circular shape has to come. Don't think like that. Just you can make one like that, and you can try. What I'm saying.
Aywa.
So this one I made, you know. So I'm going to fold it. I like folding only. Circle. I don't want in circle shape.
Why you folding again? Finish already.
No, then only it will be come. Fold and do means it will good. So I'll check whether the thickness is okay.
Yes, it's okay.
It's okay, but here it's a little big. So if thickness is like that, then apply some oil when you are cooking. Then it will be okay. It will boil in place. Cook properly. See, where is my one more plate?
The problem is a big plate.
Big plate. I'm keeping here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is remaining here. Here I am having one more plate. I am having.
The problem, you put this one.
Because when I am sometimes if you one by one top means when you are taking out, that time it will stick. So you cannot be able to go. It's too much thick. It's coming. 2, 3 is enough. Afterwards, when we are putting that one, that time.
No problem. I will put edit. I will edit this one.
Yeah.
No one.
Your hands will be paining. See, if it's small size means it won't come like this. Since it is big, it is coming like this.
No problem. As long as you eat.
Yeah, eat. I think okay, tasty will come. I buy very big oil. Half oil I used. Very big 1.5 liters I buy. Then I shifted into the small bottle. Then I'm using it because if it sometimes mistakenly fell down or what something happened means then all earning money. We are earning here. Morning we are going early morning, we are going for the work and coming back in the evening. So such a odd earning. It's not our money is not coming simply. So we don't want to waste.